In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select GPU in Kaggle. If you want to run machine learning code faster in a Kaggle notebook, enabling a GPU can make a big difference. Kaggle gives you access to accelerators directly inside the notebook settings, and the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn that option on. First, go to the Kaggle website. Make sure the page is fully loaded so you can see the main navigation clearly. This is where you'll start any new notebook session before choosing your hardware settings. Once you're on Kaggle, look to the top left corner of the page and click on Create. This opens the options for creating new content on the platform. If you're following along for the first time, take a moment to confirm you're clicking the main Create button and not another menu item. After that, click on Notebook. This will open a new Kaggle notebook, which is the workspace where you can write and run code. Kaggle notebooks are commonly used for data science, deep learning, and general experimentation. So this is the right place to enable a GPU. When the notebook opens, move your attention to the lower right area of the screen and click on Session Options. This section controls the runtime settings for your notebook, including the hardware your session will use. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to finish loading. Inside Session Options, scroll down until you find the setting labeled Accelerator. This is the key setting you need because it determines whether your notebook runs with standard CPU resources or with additional hardware, like a GPU. Next, click on Accelerator to open the available choices. You should see different hardware options depending on what Kaggle currently makes available for your notebook session. From there, select the sample GPU option. Once selected, your notebook session will be configured to use GPU acceleration. This is especially useful for tasks like training neural networks, working with large data sets, or running computation-heavy code more efficiently. After choosing the GPU, it's a good idea to wait a moment for the session to apply the new setting. In some cases, the notebook environment may refresh or reconnect. That's normal, and it simply means Kaggle is preparing the updated runtime for you. And that's it. You've successfully selected a GPU in Kaggle. If you found this helpful, you can now move on to running your code in a notebook environment with accelerated hardware enabled.